Hey game devs! Looking for high-quality free assets for your Unreal Engine projects? You're in luck. Every 2 weeks, FABcom offers brand new downloadable content, completely free. In this video, I'll walk you through FABcom's top free assets you don't want to miss. From immersive environments to game-ready props, we've got you covered. I'll also show you how to quickly add them to your UE5 project and get started right away. So let's jump in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more free game dev resources. FABcom is Epic Games' official asset marketplace, filled with free and premium content for Unreal Engine. Every 2 weeks, they release new free assets you can download with just a few clicks. Just sign in with your Epic Games account, claim the assets, and they're yours. Forever. It highlights Windmill Valley for UE5 with 93 assets. There are many different types of assets to help you create or polish your environments. This pack is game ready and optimized. If you have the stylized game idea, this package is perfect for you. This asset pack is in traditional Chinese rural environment, inspired by the Leia Creek Park in southern China, which has a history of over 800 years, dating back to the Song dynasty. This modular kit features traditional Chinese architectural components, including doors, windows, railings, columns, dugong, brackets, and petit corbels, allowing you to freely assemble ancient Oriental-style village structures. The set also includes an Oriental temple, rock formations and farmland, a decorative bridge, a riverside viewing platform, 2 weeping willow trees, a tomb and a ceremonial fish shrine. New version enhanced with Niagara schooling fish, rain effects, and volumetric fog systems. Designed for versatility, this collection captures the essence of classical Oriental design, making it perfect for fantasy worlds or projects inspired by ancient East Asian aesthetics. To use this asset, you must have the HDRI backdrop plugin installed. Its extremely high-quality appearance is just a click away. The last asset is a character. It is rigged with epic skeleton. Separated skeletal meshes for all parts, you can easily add or remove any part of the armor. The jaw can be opened with the additional jawbone. The tail have additional bones. You can mix the body colors separately. Material instance for armor and axe to change color. If you're finding value in these tutorials, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you love the content. You can also ring the bell to stay updated. See you in the restaurant at the end of the universe.